Everybody thought that he was just a homeless guy who wandered into the club.
I feel like someone from Mars coming to Earth.
There's sexual ambiguity, political ambiguity, ethnic ambiguity. It's all ambiguous with Tiny Tim.
Tiny Tim's on next.
Tiny Tim.
When you're strange, faces come out of the rain.
Who is this? Where did he come from? Who dropped him here?
I am the hottest talent in the whole country.
Tiny Tim gets married on The Tonight Show, watched by 50 million people. You've played at the Royal Albert Hall, you've played at Caesar's Palace, you've toured the world. What do you do? Where can you possibly go after that?
I am praised by everyone, and yet my soul is in hell.
Years ago, they said I'd never make it.
Tim hasn't been doing much television lately.
They tried to stick a pin in my balloon.
Tiny was willing to pursue pretty much any angle to make a comeback.
So thrilled to be here today. So happy our dreams.
There must be changes in my career.
I didn't realize how addicted he was to the applause.
Well, it's because